Hello everyone, Arf Miner here. So today we are going to see something different. We'll see how to create softwares from installed programs on PC. Okay, so first I'm going to search for InnoSetup download. This is a software from which you can make exe files from installed softwares on the PC. Okay, so download it from uh, grsoftware.org and click on the random site, and when you click it the software will download. So I've already downloaded the software, and now I'm going to install it. Select OK. I agree the agreement. Next. Read it first so that you don't have any problems later. Next, create a desktop shortcut. Yes, click next. Install, and once that is installed, run the software. Okay. So read everything carefully before you start installing the software. So follow the process I'm showing you, and then press cancel, the file, new, next. Give your application name. So here I'm following my control panel. I'm typing the application name. And the version. You can see the version on the control panel. So let's type the version. And then again following the control panel and the application publisher. And for the website, search online. So here I've already searched the website name, and then I'll copy it and paste it on the application website form. Click next. Follow the process here. Click next, and then browse it and go to drive C and that particular program folder. Then search for the application installed on drive C. Click open, and then add files from the C drive. Select all the files first and then copy them. Open and press next. Application file type extension. So because it's a Windows software, the file extension should be .exe. So I'll type here .exe and click next. Follow the process here. and click next. Keep everything empty over here. Click next. Follow the process here and click next. And the only language I need is English, so press next. So give the file name and press next. Press next and finish. Would you like to compile the new script? Yes. No. So you can see the file is being made and it's now complete. And you can open the file by clicking the build version, open output folder, and you can see your software that you made. So thank you, and follow my channel, like, comment and subscribe.